guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my class. During our today's tutorial I will show you how to paint cute bird in watercolor style. And for our today's class we're gonna use my new watercolor brush set that I created with texture paper that comes along with this set. And if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's go! Hi guys, Merry Christmas! During our today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to paint this cute bird in watercolor style. And for this painting we're gonna use my new watercolor brush set for Procreate, new texture paper, and I hope you will like that. And first of all, let's go and start, and I will go and grab BooPerfect Edger Smudger, one of my favorite brushes. And this reference picture I'm gonna use as a color palette. So I think we can start, and I will go and grab a ginger color, and I will start adding feathers. And as you might see, this is so smooth. If you want to have more pigment, you just need to lift your Apple Pencil from the screen and just go ahead and add more color variations. Even bluish. Okay, darker color. As a blending tool, I'm gonna use BooPerfect Edger and Smudger because this brush is great as for blending as for paint. You might see it here. And here we have circular shape like this. Same from this side. And something here. And now guys, I'm gonna go to green color, and I want to add some green variations. I think this bird will be beautiful if we're gonna add some green shades. And I think I'm gonna go and grab dark brown, nearly black, but it's not black. Also dark shade and add some shades to legs. Well, perfect. Now I want to go and lower the opacity of our sketching layer. I'm gonna go and add some color variations to the tree. Now here, because of the reflection, we even have purple color. So keep in mind we are trying to imitate watercolor, so try to mix colors one in each other, and as you might see, thanks to this brush we can do it perfectly. Add some shades to this part, and we still have some shade here. And here in this brush, if you press harder, you will have thicker color, and as you might see, this is just amazing. And it's just cool. And now I'm gonna go and grab blending tool, and I still want to blend some parts, make it less sharp, if we can say so. Some parts, if you like, you can even blend significantly, and for that you need to go and grab a watercolor smudger. And as you might see, this brush will help you to smudge it in pretty natural way. For now, you can even turn off sketching layer. And that's our bird. And yeah, you see this brush is very good for blending. Okay, my next and final detail, what we're gonna do is we will go to the selection tool, press automatic, select our bird like this, select this part, press feather 2%, hue saturation and brightness layer, and lowers the brightness, increase saturation. So now our bird is pretty sharp. You might see it here. My last final detail is I will go and grab freehand, and I want to add some shades, add, and maybe some color variations. Add feather 15-16%. You can lower the brightness, increase saturation. And same I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna add some highlight. So one more option, what else you can do, you can add background. So for that we need to create a new layer, and after we'll go and grab my BooStudio watercolor brush and try to add those splashes. Like this, and it's very cool, and I like how it looks. And also same, we will go and create new layers that is above our bird, and we're gonna have same brush, and you also can add some salted effect to your bird like this. might duplicate it if you like a couple of times. And have to lower the opacity till 50% and have to merge together. And if you don't like some parts, just blend it. And same you can do with blue color if you want to make it more saturated. And you can make it bigger, smaller, because this is a new layer, so it's entirely up to you. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it that way. And also one more trick, what else you can do, you can just go create the layers that is above our bird, grab those blue color, and we also have blue watercolor bubbles. So you can also add some bubbles here. Yep, like this way. Now I like it. So guys, that was our class about painted bird, and if you like it, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other next video. Bye bye!